Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. It's so great to have you here, and I just did some major shopping. My cousin's birthday is in 2 days. Today's Friday and her birthday is on Sunday, so if you couldn't tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be making my own kind of like DIY gift basket. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys everything I got and give you guys a little haul. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so starting with the things that I got for myself, I got apples. I got 4 apples and also raspberries and strawberries, but those are in the fridge. And so starting off with clothes, I got this pair of shorts, just kind of lounge linen white shorts. They're really cute and comfy, and yeah. Next I got these, like, here, let me take them off the hanger. I got these, I want to say like kind of cargo short pants. They're super cute. Again, I love the white because it goes with everything, and yeah, so excited about that. And then, okay, I got this for myself. I got a pair of gray, I want to say these are like sweat shorts kind of, but like lounge shorts. So yeah, I got a pair of those. And then I also got, oh yeah, these are for my cousin. I got a pair of, okay, these are sweat shorts, yeah. I got a pair of sweat shorts, just black plain ones, and they're really comfy, like really comfy. I honestly wish I got some for myself, but it's fine because I did get some shorts. So yeah, got those shorts. Then I got myself just a black tank top because I love their tank tops, and even though it's not cropped, I still really like it. I don't know. So yeah, that's all for the clothes, I believe. And then I got a $15 Starbucks gift card. Okay, next I got this little fake plant because it's just so cute. I think it's a fern. Actually, no, this is not a fern. I have a plant like this, but I don't know what it's called. But yeah, got this little plant. I think it'll look really cute in a room because she's gonna redo it soon. So yeah. And then I got these reusable soft facial rounds. I have these and I really like them, and she's kind of like, I don't know, we share some of the same interests. Like, these are eco-friendly and she's kind of like that, I want to say. Like, she's vegetarian, I'm vegan, so we share some interests. And then I got, ooh, 2 of these face masks. This one is ginger plus vitamin C, and this one is celery plus hyaluronic acid. And what I like about these is they're biodegradable. It says this mask is 100% biodegradable with 70% breaking down in the first 45 days. That's crazy. And they're so cute. Like, what? So cute. And then I got one of the books that she wanted. This is called Book Lovers. I have no idea what it's about, but I saw it and I was like, yes, we're getting that. Because this was the only book that I saw. I was looking for books in please don't make fun of me. Vinyls, records. I was looking for records and I could not find any that were on her list, so, but that's okay. Then I got this birthday card. I think it's so cute. It says, happiest birthday wishes to you. Wishing you the kind of day you deserve and that leaves you feeling loved because that's just what you are. So cute. Then I picked up this backdrop, which I thought was so cute. Like, what? Adorable. I can't wait to decorate. I really like decorating for birthdays and stuff. So yeah, if you can't tell, I'm like so excited. Like, it's literally like a gift for me to be able to put this together. I don't know why. Then I got this happy birthday banner, just like holographic. I had one of these and then I threw it away. I don't want to talk about it. Then I got these little leaf eye patches. Like, how cute is that? Or eye masks. Yeah, eye patches. They're so cute. And they're leaf shaped. I love that. Then I got these Planet Goody, I don't know what these are called, but you guys get it. And these are made with renewable bamboo and fabric and bamboo coils. These are made with bamboo coils, and yeah, apparently they're Planet Goody, so that's good. And then I got a large claw clip because she wanted she wanted these and also these, but she wanted the telly ties, but those weren't gonna be here in time, so I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna pick out some for you. Sorry. Love you. Oh yeah, then I got some of these little like curly candles, and she's turning 15 and they didn't have any ones, so I'm just hoping that we can use like one candle as a one and then this 5. So yeah, super cute. And then I got these birthday cake truffles. They're just adorable. Like, I don't even know what they taste like because I'm vegan, but ooh, actually that looks really good. White chocolate with vanilla and white chocolate filling. That sounds good. But yeah, it's just so aesthetic, especially for birthdays. And then I also got some gummy bears. They're so pretty. I love them and I love the packaging. So yeah, got those. And then I got, okay, so this is the brand Honest. I got a lip balm, tinted lip balm, looks like that. And then I got a mascara. This is the Extreme Volume Mascara plus Bold Lash Primer. Okay, so I guess it's a 2-in-1. I don't know. I'm not gonna open it though because it's taped, so yeah, I think it's a 2-in-1. Alright, so moving on to the last bag. I got 3 of these, like, what are these called? Oh, like paper shred, like fillers, basket fillers. I got 2 blue and 1 green. And then I also got this table cover. It's just this color. It looks kind of weird on camera, but it's like a green color. And it's like got, I don't know what that's called. But you get it, you get it. And then I also got this, what's this called? Paper table decor. That's what it looks like. Ah, I'm so excited, it's so cute. Oh yeah, and the basket I got is this one. It's kind of big, but yeah, it's so, oh, there's my receipt. Then I got this. So yeah, okay, so I just went on the Barnes & Noble's website because I wanted to pick up a couple more things. So I'm about to place my order for 2 books and some pens, and then I'm going to put those in the basket. But for right now, I'm just going to wait for that. And I also have a little snack that I'm going to eat. These are sweetened blueberries with dark chocolate. So they look really good. So I'm about to snack on these, and then I will show you guys when I put the rest of the stuff in the basket.